give you finger guns. My name is Jacqui Moulder, and I'm studying illustration. I came in 2018, and I'll be graduating 2020. I am basically assisting Sarah, who's the display coordinator. She's amazing, and she's basically shown me the ropes. We're creating the autumn display for the store, and it has been so much fun so far, and I've learned a lot. I can't even name the amount of power tools that I've learned to use. It's been so useful.
My name is Sarah O'Connell. I am the display coordinator here at Anthropologie, and I am the internship coordinator for Jacqui. The main idea of the job is to make the display, and that is what takes the most time.
We just deconstructed our greenhouse cabin that we had in the front, moved it to the back of the store, cut it down, made it shorter. We repainted it. We built that giant tree you see in the back. There's these really cool stump tree-like tables, and she carved in the ringlets to make it look like a stump with a router. So I've seen tons of different tools that I've never been exposed to before.
You didn't expect that as an illustration student, right?
No, but it's so much fun too, because I like working with 3D sculpting and display art. I've done it at the Brandywine Museum of Art for a while because I worked there too, but I didn't have as much hands-on experience. It's more just like helping where I'm needed. Here I was able to actually work on the art and actually put it up, which was fun. So I've definitely learned a lot about color theory, which is so much more important than you would ever think it is in 3D sculpture and art. It's super important because we've been dyeing and painting everything around the store, and being able to make dyes that are the same color as the day before when you were doing it is the most important thing. For the tree, there was thousands of these laser printed paper leaves, and we had to hand paint each one of them, but it was a lot of fun. They look really good when we hung them up. I feel super proud of it, and I'm really happy about being able to see the process and getting to actually put it in a store. Oh my gosh, it makes me feel so good. I walk in and see that tree, and I am so happy every day. It's really nice being able to see it from the beginning to the end, and then the final product. I feel like I've learned not only such a variety of different fields of art, but I've gotten hands-on experience of what it's like to work for a company. Anthropologie has been really fun to work for. I got to go see their headquarters in Philly, which was amazing. It's like nothing I've ever seen. Probably like rivals Google. People were walking around with their pets, sitting like in an indoor fish pond. There was like coffee shops inside a building. It was crazy. But it's been fun. I've got to see and experience a lot of different stuff. So I've enjoyed it. And I've met some good people too. And when it comes to Moore, it's incredible because I went to another school beforehand, DCAD, which was also a great school. But going to Moore, I've never been in a room full of that many talented artists, and it pushes you to do your best. It's like competitive, but it's really friendly. So it's just a good environment to push you to be the best you can. The illustration students are some of the most talented people I've ever met. But it's affected me very positively. It's made me sad to leave.